Hello everyone, welcome to this session of Python where I will be explaining you a list and dictionary. Basically, let's quickly revise what are the list and the dictionaries are. So they are both a mutable, built-in data structure used to store collection of items, but they differ fundamentally in how they organize and access data. So in a list, it is an ordered collection of items accessible by numerical index. So it is a kind of arrays that we have used in our C, C++ or Java coding, whereas dictionary is the collection of key and value pairs. So each value is assigned to a key in the dictionary, whereas in the list it is unnamed, like there is no value or key kind of concept in that. It is immutable like string or numbers, that they are not organized by position, so they are randomly organized. You cannot predict it like what will be the order of it. Okay, let's look into first example of the list. So here I have created a fruit variable of type list. To create a list, you need to use an angular bracket, and inside that you need to put whatever values your array can have. So currently I have put apple, banana, cherry. Now how can I refer it? Like arrays we use to give an index. So similarly we need to index them. 0, 1, 2 is the default index given to it. Then when you click on -1, you will get the last one. One column will give you slice from index 1, remaining values it will print. So that way you can, that way those indexes you can use it. In order to add any item into your list, you can use the append function. In order to remove, you can use remove function. Let me run this and show you the output of it. Yes, fruit of 0 at 0th index we have apple. That's how apple came over here. Fruits at -1, what is the last item? That is cherry. That way it came over here. Fruit 1 column, so 0, 1, and then remaining. So by that way, banana and cherry has came over here. Here we have appended mango. Mango will append at the end over here. So that way mango has came at the end, and we have removed banana. So that's how banana has gone out of it. Now it is not necessarily that fruit has to be a list of strings only. I can add up integer. I can add up floats over here. Okay, let me try to run it, and you see my list now contains integer values as well as float values. So that way in list you can add whatever data types you want to add. Python list has been capable of storing multiple types of values in it. Let's talk out the next example, list comprehension. It is a concise way to build the list for here. So what we do, let's look at this part first. This is a for loop x in range of 1 to 11. And here it is a square. So whatever x value you obtain from range of 1 to 11, we are putting a square of it and then we are storing it into list. Let me try to run this example. Now you see for 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 10 square is 100. So that way you got this list. So this way you can create list out of it. In the next we have chosen an even element ranging from 0 to 20. This sequence will generate values of 0 to 20, and this will filter out all the even elements, and those elements directly get stored into events. If you want to square them, you can just modify the function over here like this, and then you see all the squares have been stored inside the function. You can use any function. You can call some function, and returns value will be stored as part of this list, and you can do multiple things with this. So I hope that you are now clear about list data structure. Next we will move into dictionaries. Dictionaries are, as I explained, it is a key value pair based data structure. So where we will have a key colon value, and the key is almost a string. Okay, the value can be of anything. It can be string, float, integer number, or anything. Okay, so we have created one dictionary named person. It will have a name, it will have age, it will have city. That way you see Let me try to run it so it will verify you. So I am trying to print name, value of name. Okay, so that is Alice for me. So that's how it came. Email, I am adding a key to it, and I am trying to get a person get over here. So if phone is not present, you return values as NA. That's how you got NA. And then we have added email over here, so email is presented over here. So that way you can add values over here, like this. Person, then key and its value. Then assign that value to that key. Let's look how we can iterate over dictionary. So I think I have explained this somewhat in our functions video, but let me explain it again. So scores is a dictionary. It has three values, three keys. Alice is of 92, Bob has 85, Carol has 78 scores. So now scores.items function returns us each element in the dictionary. So this is an element in the dictionary, which is key value pair we call it. So first key represents name. So we put that variable name as name, and the second value it represents is a score. So we put variable name as scores, and in the function you can use those name and score to format the string and print it. Okay, so that way this function will print entire dictionary. Okay, you see, it is print entire dictionary. Now we are using here one function. So whoever has a score over 80, those will be considered as a past and create a sub dictionary out of it. So now my past dictionary will have all the people which have scored above 80. That's how Carol is missing in the past dictionary. You can try out, play around with this function and see how you understood it. Let's look at the next cell, which explains about nested structure. Here if you see, we have created a list of dictionaries. Okay, so previously what we saw in the list is about strings, integer and numbers. Now this list can hold multiple dictionaries also. Even dictionaries can also hold a list. So you can have some key and its value is a list. So that is also possible. Let's first see this example where we have a list of students and they have name and their grade assigned to each other. And here we iterate through a student and student as, and we print their name and grade over here. Okay, so you see Alice has got A, Bob has got B. You can add one more element. Okay, name I will press as tag. I need to create T. Okay, you see one more element has came up. Now we can add subject-wise marks over here. Let me explain you. Let's say that it has got 100, 80, 7, and 90. So that way you can, your marks can have list also. Instead of equals to, I need to put colon. A copy of marks in this like this. Okay, and that way, so you see, the marks also get printed along with it. So that way your dictionary, your list can store dictionaries and your dictionaries can store lists also. So that way nested structure can be possible in the Python. You can try it out, various combinations of it, and let me know in the comments if you see any problem or any trouble with that. We'll try to add that in our list.